The Thrill book was a U.S. pulp magazine published by Street and Smith in 1919. It was intended to carry different stories. This meant stories that were unusual or unclassifiable, which in practice often meant the stories were fantasy or science fiction. The first 8 issues, edited by Harold Hersey, were a mixture of adventure and weird stories. Contributors included Greye La Spina, Charles Fulton Oursler, J.H. Coryell, and Seabury Quinn. Hersey was replaced by Ronald Oliphant with the July 1 issue, probably because Street and Smith were unhappy with his performance. Oliphant printed more science fiction and fantasy than Hersey had done, though this included 2 stories by Murray Leinster which Hersey had purchased before being replaced. The most famous story from the Thrill book is The Heads of Cerberus, a very early example of a novel about alternative time tracks by Francis Stevens. Oliphant was given a larger budget than Hersey and was able to acquire material by popular writers such as H. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.